Happy Ripple coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about XRP Ripple coin, guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of XRP in the market is about 0.937874 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XRP in the market. And guys, furthermore, if we talk about the Chinese update, so I'm very sad to see these update, guys, but don't take it serious, guys. Now that is temporary changes, and very soon you found XRP Cardano this coin is positive mode, guys. So now it's a patience time, guys. Just wait for a good time, guys. And I also predicated XRP that higher possibilities that in the October the XRP price will pump, the price will increase, guys. So please hold, never decide to sell, guys. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about XRP? Also share in the comment box, guys, and don't forget to subscribe channel.